Hello everyone. So welcome to the second part of this tutorial. So this is the part where we are going to join the trousers together. So the first thing is to pick the trouser one after the other. The first part now is the back part. I'm joining the crotch area just like you're seeing in the picture. Join it together the way you're seeing in the video. So join it together like that. Then trim off the excess thread after you're done joining it. So the next thing now is to fix the pocket. So the next thing is to fix the pocket. So I have to cut the pocket off camera because I won't want this video to be too lengthy. So I had to do that off camera. So you're going to pin the pockets just the way you're seeing it, leaving 0.5 inch from top. So that 0.5 inch you left is actually where the band is going to come in. So with 0.5 inch you're going to sew it down just the way you're seeing. So you sew the pocket down just the way you're seeing, and trim off the excess threads. So I'm going to repeat this process to the other side of the trouser and also to the front panel. So I'm done with both sides, both the front and the back. So the next thing now, pick them together, pick the both sides now, locate the crotch area. So this is me trying to locate the crotch area of both the front and the back. Locate the crotch area, locate the crotch area, the front side facing the front side now. You place them together just the way you're seeing in the video. Place them together like that. Place them together like that. Then with the help of your pin, you just pin down, you pin it down. So the main aim of you pinning your fabric together down like this is for easy sewing. So not when you're trying to sew, the fabric is shifting. So you just pin it down just the way you're seeing. Then from the line you're seeing, that's the sewing allowance. Sew it down from one point of the trouser to the other point. Just sew it down just the way you're seeing. Sew it down. Sew it down. So I'm done with the sewing. I'm done sewing. I'm done sewing. I'm done sewing. So the next thing now is to join the sides of the trouser. You join the sides of the trouser. Join them together. So just pin it up first. Pin it up. Pin the pocket area. Pin them together. Pin the front and the back together. You pin the front and the back together. So when you're done with that, you just sew them up. So I'm done sewing the both parts, the both sides. I'm done sewing the both sides. So I'll flip it. So I'll flip the trouser. So this is how it looks like. So this is the pocket area. we're done with that. So this is the waistband. So this part is where I'm going to sew down half inch, and to the other side half inch. That's where the elastic, half inch elastic, is going to come in. So for this waistband, I cut 6 inch. So this 6 inch is actually, you're going to fold it together. So when you fold the band together, it will be 3 inch, 3 inch for the other side, 3 inch for the other part. So you just hem the down part. So now this is me fixing the elastic to the first part of it. So now the length of the waistband is determined by the circumference of your waist, of the waist of the trouser. So you're going to measure the waist of the trouser. Whatever you get from the waist of the trouser, add 1 inch allowance to it. So that's how you get the length of the band, by 3 inch. So I'm done fixing the first part of the elastic. So I'm fixing the second part of the elastic. So the elastic as well is also cut by your actual waist circumference. Okay, the actual waist circumference of your waist, the actual circumference of your waist minus 2. Yeah, the actual circumference of your waist minus 2. That's how I cut the elastic. Since it's elastic, you don't need it to be exactly the main waist circumference. So I'm done fixing it. So I'm going to sew from the allowance I left. So I'm sewing that. I'm done sewing. See the way it looks like. So that middle part that I left, that middle part is actually for. So this is how you're going to place it to sew. So the middle part we left for the waistband is actually for the rope. But for this trouser, I didn't put rope on it. Maybe in my next video, okay, in the next video, I'll try as much as possible to see how I can show you how to fix the rope on the band. So this is how you're going to place the band. The right side facing the right side of the trouser. With 0.5 inch, you're going to sew round. So the right side facing the right side of the trouser with 0.5 inch, you're going to sew round. So if you have watched this video to this point, I'm sure you enjoy the tutorial. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Also like and share the video. So you're going to sew the band round. Just sew the band round. When you're done sewing, ensure to hem the down part of the trouser. Ensure to hem the down part of the trouser. So that's all about the baggy trouser.